Innovation at work, smart streetlights. One of the latest technologies lighting up our communities is smart streetlights. If you've driven around Melville, it's likely you've already seen them being trialled. They are LED streetlights with smart capabilities, which means they talk to our network control centre via wireless radio frequency. They self-report faults, so if a streetlight suddenly stops working, we'll know about it in real time. So for residents and local councils, it's a safer and more reliable street lighting option. They are a huge win for the environment too, as the LEDs are more energy efficient and have lower maintenance costs than standard streetlights. By smart enabling all of the streetlights on our network, they could reduce carbon emissions by over 55% a year. Smart streetlights are one way we're leveraging innovative technology to make our communities greener and more sustainable. And they could soon be coming to a suburb near you. To find out more ways we're greening the grid, visit westernpower.com.au.